Imagine having a helpful customer support line answering questions using a custom knowledge base. This video will show you how to build your own phone agent using Air AI. Check out the links in the description if you would like to get the prompt used to generate the knowledge base document. First, make sure you have a Twilio account that you can use to integrate with Air AI. Here you can see I have set up my Twilio account and my account has been funded. Now let us go to Air.ai to set up the AI customer support voice bot. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Here I am logged into my Air AI account. Before we create our AI agent, we need to set up our knowledge base that will be referenced by AI agent. To do that, click on this knowledge base and click on new knowledge base button here. Give it a name like customer service. You can give any name you want and then click the create button here. Now click on this again. On the next pop-up, select the upload documents radio button and then click on this select button here. You can generate a knowledge base document for your own business very easily with the ChatGPT. Now click on this to browse for the document. I'm selecting this document here. Then click on the next button. You can see Air AI has generated flashcards of FAQs based on your knowledge base document. We can add custom action on them, which we will cover in later video. Once the knowledge base document is set up, click on this create button. Then click on this create AI agent button. You can give it any name you want. Let me call this support agent. Here I will select customer service radio button and then click on this create agent button. Leave this at the default value general and then click on this choose selected mode. Then we choose our editing mode. This is a new feature. We can use the flow builder that will have a graphical representation of the flow. Click on the choose selected mode here again. This is the canvas and you can zoom in, zoom out to increase or decrease the size here. I'm just making it bigger. Here we have the opening card. You can enter what the agent should say when it receives the call from the customers. I'm going to type in here, welcome to Superbikes. How can I help you today? This is what the voice bot is going to say when it receives a call from the customer. Here we have connect a knowledge base drop down. Click on this drop down to connect to your knowledge base document. We just created customer service knowledge base document. I'm selecting that one. You can see now it is connected to customer service knowledge base document. Here you can change the voice according to your choice. You can click on this edit button. You can change to any of these available voice options. I'm selecting choose this voice. You can see here now it is standard American. Let us hit this save button now. Now we need to integrate our Twilio account virtual phone number. To do that, click on your profile and then click on the integrations option here. Then go to Twilio. We need this information, account SID and auth token from our Twilio account. Go to your Twilio account console page and from there copy the account SID, paste it here. Next copy the auth token and paste it here. Then click on this save button. Once you are done with the integration here, we need to set up our campaign. For that, click on the campaigns button here. Click on this launch a campaign button. Then scroll all the way down and then click on this agree and set up campaign button. You can give any name to the call source field. Let me call it as support agent. Under campaign type, we have outbound calling and inbound calling. Outbound calling is used to make outgoing calls by Air AI. Inbound calling is used to receive calls by Air AI. Since we are setting up a customer voice bot that is used to answer the calls from the customers, I'm selecting inbound calling here. Then let us select our agent, which is support agent, and then we can leave the area code blank. And then I'm going to set maximum daily budget of $15. Then click on this save and launch button. Here we can see our campaign has been created. Click on this awesome I understand button. Here we can see our campaign and then just display the campaign. Here it is showing that the inbound number people can call is 860-733-0425. That is what we are going to use to test our customer service voice bot. Keep in mind that this Air campaign will only work when you have a Twilio account that is funded and a number can be generated by Air AI. Let me close this. Now we are ready to test our campaign by calling our customer service number. I am casting my phone onto laptop screen so that you can see my phone calling the customer support voice bot that we just set up. I'm going to dial 1-860-733-0425.
Welcome to Superbikes. How can I help you today?
I would like to know when will my order be delivered.
Well, delivery times can vary depending on your location and the shipping method. You can find estimated delivery times on the product page and during the checkout process. Once your order has been shipped, we'll send you a confirmation email with tracking details.
We just saw that our voice bot is working fine. We asked a question from our knowledge based document and it was able to answer it appropriately. Congratulations, you built a voice bot that can answer your customers' questions. Bye until next video.